Welcome to Sketchup for Power, Episode 1, Workspace. Sketchup has a what you see is what you get user interface. So it makes sense if you want to get the most out of Sketchup, you have to get the most of what you see while working in SketchUp. This goes for your workflow efficiency as well as the images that you output. When SketchUp first opens, it looks just like this, a lot of toolbars everywhere. And what happens is, a lot of tools are duplicated. This leaves you with a very small window of what you're actually seeing for both work and presentation. SketchUp for Power uses the 80-20 rule, and that means we will close all the toolbars and tools that we only use 20% of the time and keep open the tools that we use 80% of the time. By going up to View, Toolbars, we will use the large tool set, sections, shadows, styles, and views. Organize these tools in the way that makes the most sense for your workflow, so that you always go back to the same portion of your screen for the same tool. By going to Window, Default Tray, you can store additional tools in the tray. In the default tray, we like to have open the Entity Info, Layers, Scenes, Styles, Materials, and Shadows. We'll shut off everything else. You should organize these as well. I like to have Entity Info at the top, Layers, Scenes, Styles, Materials, then Shadows. Now be aware that some tools act differently in the tray than they do in your regular toolbar. Lastly, auto-hide the tray, and now you have a giant area to work with. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit subscribe and you'll get notified every lesson that we post.